Welcome, engineers. Today we're looking at the dB Interactive Calculator, an essential tool for converting between different acoustic and electrical measurements in decibel format. This solves a fundamental problem we face daily, quickly converting between sound pressure levels, intensity ratios, power ratios, and voltage gains without manual logarithmic calculations. Let's explore the inputs. At the top, you'll find the calculation mode dropdown. This offers 6 options. Sound pressure level from pressure, pressure from SPL, intensity level from intensity ratio, power level from power ratio, voltage ratio from dB, and combine 2 sound levels. For our demonstration, I'll select sound pressure level from pressure. Below that, we have 7 input fields: sound pressure in pascals, SPL in dB, intensity in watts per meter squared, power ratio as P over P naught, gain in dB, and level 1 and level 2 in dB for combining sound levels. Let's work through a practical example. I'm measuring noise from industrial equipment. I'll enter 0.5 pascals in the sound pressure field. That's a moderately loud machine. After clicking Calculate, the primary result shows 108 dB SPL. The additional info provides the reference pressure of 20 micropascals and confirms this exceeds OSHA's 90 dB limit for 8-hour exposure. These outputs tell us the absolute sound level and its safety implications. The calculator automatically applies the correct logarithmic formula and reference values, eliminating calculation errors. One critical insight: always verify your input units. Entering millipascals instead of pascals will give you results off by 60 dB, a potentially dangerous mistake in acoustic engineering applications. Find the link in the description below.